Get this video sponsored by Tristan.
What? Ele olhando esse aqui, bem condicional. Que smooth.
You know what you're doing there? There's somewhere over there. I think I just saw him go down there. And the others, I think so. Right there. Nice. So, welcome to Down the Islands. We're going to do a little bit of fishing today. I am more likely just testing this out, so there's going to be a lot less talking and more video.
It wasn't me, big.
To me, I'd forget child spins in the car.
Spider pig, spider pig.
I'm gonna keys in my hand, is that right? Deep,
it's a that deep?
It's about 20 something feet from the top to the right now.
Alright, so is who could bring the biggest fish?
Yeah. So far it's me.
So far as you? Quite honest, I really want to go back in the water because I need to pee us. The boat is drifting, so hold on. Basically, what ended up happening was I went in the water and I realized I was going to swim out to them, and then I realized they were all the way the hell over there. There's a current pushing you this way, so I didn't really feel like swimming. I honestly did not feel like swimming all the way back out there, so I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna sit here and chill on the boat, probably fly the drone around a little bit, because there's no possible way I was gonna tire myself out going there. There's a boat passing over there. Really nice day today, because the water is very calm. There's not a lot of wind picking up on the microphone. I hope not. I did not do the St. Lucia vlog because after I did the last update video, the 2018 update video, I used the same project that I was working on for the St. Lucia video, and I deleted the entire thing by accident. I didn't delete the footage, but I deleted the video, like how I scripted. I can tell you exactly what happened. I can narrate what happened real quick for you. So we got up that day, we got up late. There you go, we're late. We took a tour to see the pitons. Tiny tour just to see around inside of here. And we came back home, we shot some drone stuff for the villa itself, flying the drone inside the building. Because I don't have a gimbal for this camera, which I would have loved to have, there's a gimbal on that camera and it flies. And then we had pizza as well, so that's what we bought. That's what we were looking for last time when we bought the food. And we came home and chill, and that was it. That was the entire day. So it was a very chill day. It was very honest, a real weekday for me. So that's why it was not much. So we have an issue. How small is it?
What's that?
You in? If you start looking in the camera though. Like one nice storm, eh? GoPro out of the case I had it in, but it's been raining the entire time that I've been out here, and I only have like 6% left on the GoPro, and my camera is inside of there. I don't know if you can see the orange buoys somewhere out there. Those guys are out there swimming right now, and clearly I am the captain now, so
then I can't change you. I can't change.
But yeah, I will catch you guys back when the weather either clears and I can vlog on my main camera, or like it doesn't. It just cleared up, and there's something in the water right there. I don't know what that is, but just jumping out. Eh, it's that thing beating up in the water here, boy. There was a bull shark in the water, so we're now wondering if it's a bull shark running down all that fish, because they're just fighting for their life right now.
You see where you all had to stop up the road for a while, and I was way ahead earlier. I passed a big so. Watch me. He couldn't blend into the rocks, right? And like he watched him in the corner, you know. As I turned the gun to hit him, boom, pow, he's gone.
That's just fun. I like Cavalli, the big Cavalli.
What? Look at fish. Your life up high, let me see you.
You see my pictures?
What?
I just laying it, yeah.
I think when he used to go like
Right there and come back?
When I see with it, I look at a boat, you know, me knows that you flying. When I look back,
I can fly that all the way on. You see that mountain up there, by them trees up there? I can go all the way there and come back. Oh no, no,
yes.
Yeah?
And I tell Mustaq about it, I get we out.
It was nice. At the end of today's vlog, I hope you enjoyed like going down fishing down the islands. That's something I haven't done in a good while, so it was nice to get back in the water. Also really nice to test this out for a little bit in the dome pot. And I do intend to get a housing for this camera, so in its future it'll be underwater vlogs basically. Instead of out of a GoPro, it'll be out of a Canon. But yeah, I gotta go and wash down the van now because the entire inside of the tray smells like fish. So hope you like this video. Be sure to like it, comment down below, let me know what you didn't like, if you didn't like something, and if you're new around here, be sure to subscribe. Alright, see you guys soon.